Alright, today we've got some light bulbs. These are from the dollar store. You can see by the $1.25 price tag there. I didn't even know you could get light bulbs at the dollar store. But they're LEDs. They're 100-watt replacement. They also had some other options there. But these are supposed to be the brightest ones, which will be nice. This is here for the bathroom. We've got bulbs out here overhead. So we're going to go ahead and give these a shot, see if they're any good. I'm skeptical. I don't think they're going to last long, but we'll go ahead and give it a try. These look pretty similar to these other ones. Wow, very bright. Very bright. I'm impressed at so far. First impressions, very bright. Lights up this room quite a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cover on. Of course, that'll diffuse the light and it'll dim it slightly, but not bad. All right, here we are with the cover put back on. The room's a lot brighter again, like I mentioned. Of course, we won't really be able to tell until months or years down the road how well they really perform. But I'm impressed how bright they are just starting out here. They do say they have an estimated, I think, 9.13 years, 10,000 hours of life up to. So we'll see if it gets even close. But all right, it's been about a month. Just doing a quick update on these dollar store light bulbs. They're both still running in there and still super bright. So honestly, I'm impressed. I think got my money's worth, at least pretty close already. I think they're gonna last a while. I think it was a good purchase. So there you go. Now we know. Maybe this will be a really good purchase. So yeah, thanks for watching Making Men's. Please like and subscribe.